Let's go. You can get up there. You want to go up there? Thanks, Judy. You just go right up there. There we go. Up there you go, Judy. There you go. Take your time. I see you will. Okay. Let's keep looking around here. There's so many of you here that have that special charisma about you. So please don't be offended. Here's a gentleman right here. Hi, how are you? What's your name, sir?
I forgot.
You forgot? Okay. Well, hey. Double his medication. All right. There.
She already did.
Well, she already did. Well, that's working. All right, come on, help me out. Let's give this man some encouragement. How you doing? Come on, let's go. Good to see you. Here we go. Hey, Judy, look what I found for you. I forgot. Right here. Here he is. All right. It's Judy, is that right, huh? Judy. And your name again, sir?
Cliff.
Cliff. All right, he changed it now. All right, very good. Come on down here. Yes, come on right down here. Let's see if I can have Cliff, gentleman over here on my left side, and the nice lady, Judy, here on my right side. Let me begin by thanking both of you very much for coming up. Now that you're here, I promise both of you this will be the easiest thing you ever do, maybe the most fun you've had in a long time. It's very, very simple, all right? Now, when I squeeze your neck, just open your mouth as wide as you can. And when I'm done squeezing, close it. That's all you have to do. Now, we're going to practice. Come a little closer. Here's Judy. Now, when I squeeze, open your mouth, okay? That's right. See, yeah. That's right. Kind of turns you on. Yeah, okay, there you go. Very good. All right, very good. All right, now here's Cliff for us. Now, Cliff. Oh, yeah, see that? Look at that, huh? Hey. Look at his eyebrows move at the same time, too. That's pretty good. Very good. Let's keep going. Look at the audience. Hello, Judy. Yeah. Try. No, I do the voice. You don't have to help. Okay. Try to look at the crowd. Hello. Wait till I squeeze. That's all right. We'll drive over here. Hello, Cliff. No. Somehow you guys are ahead of me. I don't know how this. Well, we'll try it again here. Hello. Yeah. Well, you're Judy, huh? Yeah. That's great. We have a nice crowd, huh? Yeah. Is that your friends down the front row? Yeah. Well, they're proud of you now, huh? Yeah. That's great. Okay, look out there. Hello, Cliff. No. Well, you're Cliff, huh? No. That's right. Something tells me you're a country boy. No. Hey, lady, you want to sing? Yeah. Okay. You want to hear the lady sing? No. Come on, Judy. No. 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 Sunshine. You have to close between syllables. All right. Hey, she's good. You make me happy when the sky's not gray. Now that's talent. That's right. You never know, dear. You like that? Hey, come on, Judy and Cliff, give him a hand, huh? Thank you, Cliff. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, Judy. Come on, let's hear it for them. Weren't they terrific? Huh? Judy and Cliff. There they go. Look at, they're each going to get a Happy Meal for helping out, huh? All right. Well, there you go. There you are, yes. Or you can cash it in for the 75 cents. They were great, so are you. I adopt my dogs or cats, and I spay neuter them. I hope you'll please consider doing the same thing. When we adopt our dogs or cats, they know they're being adopted. They're going to love you back and be grateful. Think about that, and enjoy this show. God bless. Good night.